Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue the device care option grayed out on this TV. So let me show you. Here you can see the device care option is grayed out. So let me show you how to fix this problem. So to fix this problem, first of all go to the home page. So under the recent tab you can see one streaming application is already opened, like Prime Video, YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar, Airtel Play, like that. So first of all, we need to turn off this type of streaming application from the recent applications. So for this, go to set the left side, tap on connected devices, and you have to select the option TV. Okay. Now again go to the settings, tap on all settings. Go to support, you can see the device care is back. So simply in this way we can fix the issue, the device care option grayed out on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.